I'm Ryan from iThemeland, bringing you unmatched WordPress and Woocommerce expertise. In this tutorial, we want to talk about bind edits in Woocommerce coupons, which is an excellent option for changing multi-coupon data directly from the table in the Woocommerce bulk coupons editing plugin. Now, to use this feature in our plugin, at first you need to add the columns that you want to change the data of in the coupon table. So go ahead and add those. And then you're able to filter your preferred coupons and change their values simultaneously, either by using the filter form or you can actually use the quick search. After selecting the filtered orders, the process of bind editing becomes very simple. Just go ahead and click on the bind edit button and change the values of one of the columns. As soon as you change the value of one of the coupons in the related column, the value of other selected coupons will also change automatically by the plugin. It's better to follow these steps in our plugin to better understand how to bind edit WooCommerce coupons. So step 1 is adding columns to the table. As we totally explained the method of adding columns to the coupons table via columns profiles, you can add as many columns as you need just by marking them in the column profile form, and then go ahead and click on apply to table. In this tutorial, we have added all of the columns to the table by marking the checkbox next to the select all option right here, and then click on apply to table. Step 2 is filtering our coupons. We also decided to use the filter form to filter our coupons. So in the filter form, we are going to try to filter coupons by setting the conditions for the fields provided in the General tab. So our status should be pending review, and the discount type must be fixed cart discount. And now the coupons should be filtered and the table will display the columns. So step 3 is bind editing WooCommerce coupons. The bind edit option has been designed at the top of the main page in our plugin or the toolbar. To use this feature, you need to click on the bind edit, mark the checkbox of the coupons that you need to edit, and then find the column the value of which must be changed in the table, and then you have to edit one of the values related to one of the selected coupons and let the plugin do the rest. It'll take a few seconds. Different methods have been designed in our plugin to enable you to edit the values related to each column very fast and easy. Let's try to bind edit some values of the WooCommerce coupons directly from the table using some examples. Example 1, bind editing the discount type. For fields that only one specified value has to be assigned to the coupons among some default items, we provided a combo box to help store managers to easily choose one of them from the provided list. For example, if you want to change the discount type of some coupons by bind edits, you need to first click on the bind edits option and then mark some coupons in the table. Now go ahead and click on one of the combo boxes under discount type, which is related to one of the coupons. Now choose one of the items from the list, and now just wait until the plugin assigns your value to other selected coupons. You can also change the value of the status column in the table the same way we just did for the discount type field by choosing an item from the list. Example number 2, bind editing coupon amount. In the coupon amounts field, you have to enter a number because we designed a text box as well as a calculator to help you change the amount of this field. In these kinds of fields, you can either type a number in the text box or just use the calculator. The other fields that can be edited in this way include usage limits per coupon, usage count, minimum maximum spend, usage limits per user, and usage limits per X item. Example number 3, bind editing expiry dates. To bind edit expiry dates very fast and easy, we provided a calendar in the table. So after clicking on the bind edit button and selecting the coupons you need to edit, you should set a date for that. Once you set your date, you'll see that all of the expiry dates of those selected coupons will change at the same time. You can also bind edit the date of the published on column by using the same method that we just did. Example number 4, bind editing allow free shipping. There are also some other fields, the values of which you can bind edits by marking or removing the checkbox next to the values to confirm or refuse it. For example, if you want to confirm allow free shipping for some coupons, you just need to click on bind edit, select your preferred coupons in the table, and then mark the checkbox next to yes, which is next to the coupons. And then just wait for the plugin to change other values in only a few seconds. There are some other fields editable with the same method that we just used in the coupon table, and they are, for example, individual use only and exclude sale items. Example number 5, bind editing products. Assigning some coupons to some specified products is one of the most frequent tasks for store managers. Doing this task by using the bind edit option is very easy in our plugin by following these steps. So go ahead and click on bind edit button. Mark your preferred coupons from the table. Now click on product button, which is under the product column of one of the selected coupons. Now here in the pop-up, choose as many products as you need from the list and click on Save Changes. And that's it. The coupons you marked are now assigned to the selected products. And the other fields with the same method of editing are exclude products, then a product category, and then exclude categories, used by and used in. Example number 6, bind editing description. As you can see, in some fields such as description, you need to type a text by clicking on the text box designed under that field.